me if you're a collector without telling me. Huy! So there's a new collection at Chaji Highlighters. Just order 3 large Boya series drinks to get 1 free scented charm blind box. And there are a total of 4 to collect. Hindi nakakatuwa mag-open ng box pero ang satisfying kapag na-open mo na. In fairness, ang ganda ng lagayan. By the way, I've got the Boya Jasmine Green Tea. So 1 down and 3 more to go. And don't forget to take time to smell. Kasi sobrang bango niya, highlighters.